Okay guys, so I wanted to show you how you can create a media kit in Canva. You're going to type in media kit at the top of your Canva search bar and you see all these different templates. You literally just pick one that you like. I love the ones that, well, basically all of them have your picture. I think that's important for you to have a headshot or some kind of picture. So as you can see, this one emphasizes a lot on her picture. It says her title and her email and that it's a press and media kit. It's in another language, but you get the gist. Facts about her awards, if you have any kind of accomplishments, her social media stats, like how many followers she has, her engagements, and also her statistics, okay? So I like this one, but I also feel like a media kit should include your pricing as well, and that one doesn't. So let's find one that has statistics, facts, and pricing. So this one has headshots. It has his statistics, his engagement rates, weekly reach, the amount of followers. I'm assuming that he just picked one social media site, but you can put all of your social media following, add them together and put them all on there. And this one, the most important part, has services and rates. That is what brands want to know. How much do you charge to do these services for them? Content creation, photos, how much do you charge to be a brand ambassador? Okay, so Canva it's so easy to use Canva, guys. You literally click and you can replace everything. I'm clicking on the picture, I'm hitting replace, I'm scrolling down. This is my camera roll, but I have uploads that are already in Canva. I can replace it with. You can remove backgrounds and just basically put in your information in exchange for theirs, and you can edit everything. And they just have these templates for you, so you don't have to create or design on your own. And that's why I love Canva so much. You just have to come up with this yourself. So as I'm replacing this stuff, I do want to talk more about your rates. I think it's important for you to know your value. Don't lowball yourself, but at the same time, be realistic. Content creation, think about how much it takes for you to create content. Do you have to hire someone to help you? If you have a wig content, hair content, do you have to pay someone to do your hair? Just think about those things, and you can always put from and a starting rate, and that it's negotiable. You want to have your contact information. I always recommend that everyone gets a P.O. box to stay safe. You don't know who's impersonating a company, but definitely have a professional contact information, and just be very mindful of your rates. And also, when a company asks for your media kit, make sure you update every time you send it to a company. We all know that followers fluctuate, engagement percentages fluctuate. So go ahead and update that before you send it out. And as you can see, I'm just replacing the photos and just showing you guys how easy it is to customize. You can click and change the background colors. They already have my brand colors saved. It's so much that you can do to just customize this and make it your own and make it special, and just show a company that you have pride in your business. And in that about section, just talk about what you're passionate about, what your brand represents. So if you're a beauty enthusiast, beauty influencer, make sure that you include that. Make sure that you include what kind of videos you do. If you do hair tutorials, funny reels, whatever, just make sure it's almost like your resume. This is your resume as an influencer, that you get to decorate and make fun and not so bland, so take pride in it. And like I said, I have Canva Pro that I pay for, so I can get the extra fonts and different things like that, the background remover, which I'm about to show you right here with my logo, my old logo. You can remove the background if you pay for Pro, and I think it's less than $10 a month. But even with the regular Canva. You can do all these things. You can make flyers. You can do all that. And I was so lost not knowing how to make a media kit. And I just went in my Canva one day and typed it in, and there they were. All these things that people created that you can edit. So that's all, folks. Hope I helped. Thanks.